Who else in the car with you here? What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. How do you guys know each other?
Friends from school.
Okay.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
How old are you?
18.
Sorry?
18.
I can't hear him.
18.
18?
Yeah.
All right, you got your driver's license?
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license?
Oh,
Yeah.
actually,
All right.
yeah, yeah.
Sorry about that.
Is this window rolled down?
I can't hold that.
Alex, I'm not going to do it, but let me explain something that could have happened here. As he passed me, I saw the light from your phone indicating that you were recording. You understand that I can seize your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to do that.
Okay.
I'm not going to belittle anybody here, okay? I know you made a mistake. I know you know it was stupid,
Yeah.
but recording it is even dumber,
Yeah.
okay?
I'm gonna be honest, I was data logging because I just tuned the car, and I was
I-
just trying to see it in the video because I don't want
I
to
hear you. I absolutely
No
I hear you.
excuse,
But
but-
here's the problem. What will